So today we've got some important skills that we're going to work on. Here's our target. We're going to be introducing a new tricky word. I'm excited. And we're going to also practice reading today together with our study buddies and with Miss Renee. So I'm excited to get us started. First, we're going to review some of the sounds and letters that we've learned so far. Can you move your belly buttons this way? Okay. Looking at our vowels right here on our big easel, we're going to start with this vowel, and we're going to go across from left to right, okay? And we're going to say the sounds with me. So echo with me or say them with me. Ready? I, ah. We went from the front of our mouth to the back of our mouth. This time I want you to put your hand right here on your voice box, okay? Put your hand right there. And you're going to feel the vibration, okay? Because this is like your musical instrument right here. This is what you use to help you with reading and writing and speaking. Okay, ready? Ah, I. Perfect. Now let's go a little faster. Ready? I, I. Now let's do it with some gestures, okay? Get your sign language ready. Quick smile. Like you're crying. Nice. Let's go backwards. Oh, good job, guys and girls. You did really, really well. Hey, let's go a little faster, you think? This time we're gonna do it in a singing voice, a little bit faster. Watch me. Oh, good opera singers. Pat yourself on the back for that good practice. Okay, we're going to do some more practice too, okay? Let's practice our letters and our sounds, okay? I know, I love doing this too. When we practice our letters and our sounds, I want you to say the letter. I'll say letter, and we're going to say the name of it, and then we're going to say the sound. And also, you can use your sign language for that, okay? Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Letter D, sound D. Quick D. Okay. Letter P, sound P. Letter W, sound W. Letter H, sound H. Now, Kevin is like, it's H. Okay, ready? Letter C, sound K. Oh, I love your eyes up here. Letter B, sound B. Letter J, sound J. Letter N, sound N. Letter S, sound S. Letter E, sound A. Letter T, sound T. Letter M, sound M. Letter G, sound G. Letter Z, sound Z. Letter Y, sound Y. Good time, you come back here. Y. Letter I, sound I. Quick smile. Letter K, sound K. K. Letter R, sound R. Letter F, sound F. Letter A, sound I. Letter X, sound X. Letter V, sound V. Remember it vibrates? Letter U, sound Letter O, sound Ah. Letter L, sound O. Letter Q, sound Qu. Letters CH sound sh. Nice job. Letters SH sound sh, like in Shannon. Letters NG sound ng. Letters TH sound and good job, guys and girls. Pat yourself on that practice. All right, let's see if we're doing so far. We've got our vowel sounds. It's time for our tricky words. But first we're going to go over all of our other tricky words. Remember, they don't play by the rules. So we can sound out some parts of them, but we can't sound out all the parts, okay? So our old tricky words that we've already practiced is this one. What is that word? Everybody. One. You can read the sentence with me if you like. I have one cat. Have two sisters. What word is it? Two. Like in what number? Two. Can you show me? Two. That's right. Okay, ready? I have 3 donuts. What word? 3. I love how you're showing me. I see the deer. What's the word? The. I want a cookie. A. What else can we say? Or what? Cookie. We can say or a, right? My jeans are blue. Blue. What's this one? The sun is yellow. What's the word? Yellow. See the tricky parts underlined? Please look at me when I ask a question. What's the tricky word? Look. Good job. I like ice cream. Good readers. The cars are fast. Are. What do we say? Arr. The ant is little. Little. I walk down the stairs. Down. Out. I took my coat out of the closet. Out. I want a bag of chips. Of. And one of our newer ones. The clown is funny. Oh, you remember this one yesterday. Funny. Okay, we have a new tricky word. This is our new tricky word. Now, let's say it like we would do our regular sounds, okay? Where we phonetically sound it out. Ah, ooh. Ah, ooh. Have you ever heard of that word? Me neither. I have not heard that. So guess what this one is? This one has lots of tricky parts. So you're going to have to remember this spelling of this word. It's actually, this stands for ah, and this one just stands for one ul sound. Okay, and these are called double consonants, and we'll learn that later in this unit. Okay, so we're going to have to remember this is ah, and this is ul. Okay, so if we blend ah and ul together, what word will we make? All, that's right. So the whole word is tricky. So you're going to have to remember, take a picture of it. Okay? Put it in your brain. And remember how to spell A-L-L, all, okay? A-L-L, all. Oh, just one picture's all you need, I think. Because your brains are really big and small. I mean, big, and you can remember it. A-L-L. All. A-L spells all. A-L-L spells all. All. We all fall down. How do we spell all?
A-L-L.
Very good. Hey, boys and girls, look at that big screen here. We're going to read this together, okay? So let's look at our tricky words, and then there's some words in there that we can phonetically sound them out, okay? What is this first word? I can look up at. Oh, good job. The stars. Oh, kiss your brains. Okay, ready for this one? I can look down at all the fish in the. What do you think that? Water, ocean, sea. What would you like to say that is? The sea. Okay. Okay. The lake could be. It looks like it. I look. Oh, good job. The cookies in the oven. Beautiful job, boys and girls. Now you're going to practice writing our new tricky word, okay? So you're going to need some supplies. Now, when you walk back to your desk and get your pencil, you're going to walk back very safely, just how we always are safe in our class. Watch me, watch me. I'm going to get my writing tool, and I'm going to hold it like this. And I'm going to walk back to the carpet. And Miss Renee has your papers for you today, okay? Boys, would you stand up, please? Walking. Okay, thumbs up when you have your name on your paper. Remember, first letter is capital, all the rest are lowercase. I see someone ready for practicing. Thumbs are up. Tucker's got his thumb up. Oh, I love Brantley's nice handwriting. Delilah's ready. Okay. Caleb is ready. Okay. Heads up, 7 up. Boys and girls, look at this big screen up here. This one looks a lot like what your paper looks like. Okay. What is this word in this box, though? This rectangle? All. What is this word, everyone? All. That's right. Who would like to read that first sentence for our class? Okay, oh, so many great volunteers. I can't decide. Miss Rosie, would you like? No, you changed your mind. That's okay. You don't have to. You want to? Caleb, would you want to do it? Oh, did you see he filled it in? What word is missing? All. So we're going to take our pencils and we're going to write all with our wonderful handwriting, okay? We're going to use it like first grade writing. We're going to start at that dotted line and we're going to go circle to the left, touch the grass line, and then we're going to make our little kickstand for our A so it doesn't roll around. Now, a little sound is going to be tall, so we're going to start at the sky all the way down to the grass line. Oh, listen, all the way down. And then you're going to do your double consonant, your other L, all the way down to the grass line. How'd you do?
Good.
You feel good? Okay. Put your finger on number 2. Who would like to read that one?
Me.
Oh, I love those quiet hands. Okay, Mr. Keeper, you ready?
I can look down at all the fish
In the
water.
water or ocean, sea. Okay, let's pull that all down into that empty space. Do the same thing. Start the dotted line, circle to the left, touch the grass line. Remember, slow and steady. You get better and better. Slow, and then skyline, grass line. Skyline, grass line for ooh. How'd you do that, Tom? Is it beautiful handwriting? Okay, number 3. Who would like to read the number 3? Want to read that one, Brooklyn? Okay.
I look at the dog in the house.
Look at the dog in the house. What do you think would go right here? All. Okay, I look at all the dog or dogs? dogs, because if we have all there, it's going to make that sound be plural, so we need to make that more than one. In the house. Okay, so we're going to pull down all and put it right there. Same thing, dotted line, circle to the left, your kickstand, skyline, grass line, skyline, grass line. How you feel?
Good.
Your handwriting looks beautiful. Okay, before you flip that paper over, let's all go back and read that together. So you're going to go back to the number 1 with us, and you're going to point to and track from left to right, and we're going to read that entire sentence together. Okay, ready? Finger on number 1. Oh, I love how Calyx is ready, and let's go. I can look up at all the stars. Beautiful job. Number 2, I can look down at all the in the waves or the sea. Number 3, I look at all the dogs in the house. Beautiful job. Now we're going to take that and flip it over. We got more practice, because practice makes what, everybody? That's right. Let's flip it all the way over to make us better writing. There we go. Okay, put your finger on number 4, please. Look at those hands wanting to volunteer to read. Such good readers in here. All right, Brantley, you want to read that one, buddy?
I look at the ball.
Oh, the ball. There's more there. See, the period is here. Can you read all of that? Remember, we're going to bring all in this space right here, because that's what we're practicing. Go let in. Gorgeous job. Okay, let's bring that all and write it right there in that blank, okay? All. So you got your circle to the left for your A, your kickstand. Try to remember how to spell that on purpose. Then you got your O, skyline, grass line, skyline, grass line. How'd you do with your memory? Did you remember it? Good job. Okay, let's go to number 5. We'd like to read that entire sentence. Okay, Rosie, would you like to do that one? Okay.
Mom can look at the cookies and the others.
Okay, well, there's a missing word. What missing word would go there? Oh, okay, let's write all in that blank, okay? All in the blank. Try your best to remember how to spell it. Go ahead and write all in that blank. Number 5. All in the blank. Try your best not to look at the big screen. You guys did great. Kiss your brains. That was great memory. Okay, if you wrote all like this, starting at the dotted line, and a kickstand, and towels, then kiss your brain again. Good stuff. Let's read those 2 sentences together. Put your finger on number 4. Remember, we're going to track left to right. Go. I look at all the balls in the box. Number 5. Put your finger on number 5. Number 5. Your finger on number 5. All the cookies in the oven. Good job. Kiss your brains, boys and girls. Again, you're kissing your brains a lot this morning because you're doing so well practicing. If you're a boy, you're going to take your paper and put it in your best work basket, and then put your pencil away. Come back and join us. Boys and girls, would you turn your belly button to Miss Renee? It's story time. Oh, I love this story. This book is what we read yesterday. We started as our brand new book. It's about Sam. And is this a hardback or a softback book? hardback. And I want you guys to touch the front cover of your body. It's the back cover of your body. This is the back cover of our book. Okay, and now I want you to touch this, your spine, right there, spine. Touch your spine. This is the spine of a book, and it keeps the pages and the stories together. Let's open our book and read it together, okay? Okay. Now let's stay in our spots. I'll hold it up really high for you. Oh my goodness, there's lots of stories in here. This is called the what, everyone? Table of Contents. There are a lot of stories about Sam in this book. Let's count each one and see how many stories we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, let's see if there's any more. 10, 11, 12, 13. Ooh, I wonder why I skipped this one. Does it have a number there? No, so that means there's no story to turn to. So how many stories are in this book? 13 stories. But we're on our first story, and it's called Sam and the Fish. What page number do we go to? 2. Let's turn to page 2. We did. Remember, we reread them the second day to practice left, right. Hey, our goal today is learning to track left to right, and then you're going to ask questions about the story to your buddy today. Okay, you can read it with me. I would love to hear your wonderful voices. Dice, I love to see your beautiful eyes looking this way. Sam and the Fish. This is Sam. Ooh, is it spring or summer? It's probably spring or summer. Is it winter? No. Why do you know that?
Because he's wearing flip-flops.
He's flip-flops. Shorts. No jackets. Sam and his dad fish in a pond. Sam's dad brings a rod. Oh, look, there's apostrophe S. Whose dad? Sam's. Sam brings us net. Why does he bring a net? He's hopeful for what? To catch a fish. Sam and his dad sit and sit. Then, zap! Ooh, I love that strong feeling because it's an exclamation point. Sam's dad gets a fish. The fish jumps. The fish twists and swings. Sam's dad tugs on the rod. Remember to use your sounds. Rod. What is a rod? We talked about that yesterday. I love your quiet hand for that one. What is a rod, sweetheart?
It's going fishing and you get a fish like he has.
Is there one in the picture that helps us remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lily, can you point to that since you're close to us? Where's the rod? And that's the line. Is this whole thing the rod? Yeah, that's the rod. And we talked about a rod could be something else, right? It has 2 meanings. Remember the fence rod we talked about, the metal rod? And then we talked about hot rod car. Remember that? Yeah, and a fishing pole rod. Oh, I love the blending. The fish swims past Sam. Sam swings his net. Sam lifts up the net. The fish is in the net. Sam and his dad grin. What is grin? Can you show me a grin? Are they happy they caught a fish? What do you think they're going to do with that fish? You think they'll go home and eat it? If you had a question, you could ask one of the dad or Sam. What would you want to ask them?
I want to ask him how you catch a fish.
How you catch a fish? No, I love your question.
How did you wait?
How long did you wait? Those are great questions. Today you're going to get with your study buddies and you're going to read this. We're going to read it with our study buddies, and then you're going to have a group with me and you're going to read it with me and practice, okay? And do you remember how to do study buddies? I know you do. So that's just to remind you, just because we have new friends that are in our school, okay, we're going to sit with our buddy. Would you be my buddy and show? Okay, I love it. We're going to sit together and we're going to find a spot. We're going to get our book. We just need one with our buddy because we're going to share, right? Let's sit right here. Would this be a great place to sit? Oh, I love that. Hey, let's sit crisscross applesauce. And remember, it's elbow to elbow, knee to knee, and we're going to put it in our lap together, and we're going to turn pages together. Would you like to hold it? Okay. Looks like we're on page 2, doesn't it? Yeah. Want to turn the next one? So remember, we ping pong read like we ping pong count. Would you like to go first? You want me to go first? Okay. Sam and the fish. It's your turn. Remember to point. Remember, buddies help each other, okay? You want to sound it out? This. Say your sounds. Is. What's his name? Sam. Good job, buddy. And then we're going to just keep going back and forth. When we finish it, what do?
Put in the basket.
Well, we keep going. We go back and read it again because practice makes
Better.
That's right. Remember to use your tracker pointer finger going left to right, okay? And then after a few minutes, when I'm finished with my group, we're going to switch and you're going to do come to me and we're going to practice again because the more we practice, the better we will get. Okay, let's get into your little study buddies. Okay, here we go, guys and girls. Fingers. Tucker. Sam, good reader. And his dad. Sit and sit. Then zap. Keep your finger there. Sam's dad gets a fish. The fish jumps. The fish twists and swims. Can you show me what twist means? Can you twist your body?
I can twist.
Oh, yes. Look at Sarah go. Look at Shannon go. Okay. Let's keep reading. Put our finger back on the word and sentence. Sam's dad tugs on the rod. Ooh, what do you think tug means? Can you show me tug? Oh, you're pulling. Is there a game that's called something? Tug of war.
I like that.
Have you ever played it? Touch your nose if you've played tug of war before. Some of you have. Let's turn one page. Get your finger ready. Okay, here we go. Ready? Under there. Shannon, are you ready, precious? Turn your page. Okay. The fish swims past Sam. Sam swings his net. Sam lifts up the net. The fish is in the net. Sam and his dad grin. Can you show me your cute grin? Yes. So are they happy or sad?
Happy.
They're happy. Why are they happy? Because why? You can blurt it out.
Because they got a fish.
They got a fish. You agree with her?
Eat it.
You agree? Yeah. If you could ask him a question, what would you want to ask either Dad or Sam? What would you ask him?
How did you catch the fish without
Without fish food, because it didn't talk about putting any bait on the hook, did it? What would you ask?
How did you catch the fish?
How did you catch the fish? Yeah. You guys do really good. When you're with your study buddies, remember that you're going to go left, Lily, left to right, reading. And you're going to read this over and over so that you can build your brain, okay? All right, we're about to switch. Okay, my readers with buddies are going to come to the carpet with me, and these readers are going to go find a great spot to read together. How long it was and big. What would you ask?
How did we catch the fish?
How did they catch the fish? So you want to know about the skills too? It's my mind. Okay, our learning targets today was we're going to read the new tricky word. What is the new tricky word? Oh, that's right. And we asked and answered questions from our story. Can you read the story title?
No.
Sam and the fish. Good job, guys. But we have one more thing to do. What is this word? Oh my goodness. Oh, you have to remember it on purpose, right? We've got to put it on our what?
Tricky word.
Where is it? Is it over here? Where? Oh, there it is. We've got to put it there so it'll help our brains. And if we need it, we can look that way, can't we? Okay. Sweet friends. This sounds like it would be the O, so I'm going to go to the O. No. Oh, it's what? A, but it says all. So our brain has to remember that, right, Vadi? Okay, tell me if I'm getting close to where it needs to go, okay? You're going to say, stop, Mr. Name, okay? It must go. I really think it should go here. Does it go here? No, okay. It needs to go here with funny. No, it needs to go here. Okay, that's where we'll put it. So our brains will remember it. It's still the word, what is it? All. How do you spell it? A-L-L. Good job. Hey, pat yourself on the back. You did a good practice. Pat yourself on the other side of your back. There you go. You did a great practice of our, I know, we were so awesome at it, weren't we?